Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and for all of those that are on Microsoft Edge, very important to update Microsoft Edge for security reasons. In the past few days, there were some updates that were released to actually have you stay safe on the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. And of course, everybody today now has moved to this new, or is supposed to have been moved to this new browser. But if you are using Edge, if it's your main browser, Pwn2Own last week discovered some security flaws within the Microsoft Edge browser. Some of them are not sure as to how critical or not they are, if they're just important or critical flaws. Are they exploited by bad guys or not? We don't know, but we know that there are some security flaws to be fixed. So make sure that you update to the latest version by going on the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge. You should be at an 89.0.774.76. This is as of today, Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. And these are security fixes for Microsoft Edge that will keep you safe online. There's several levels of mitigation when we come to security flaws. And of course, the browser is one of them. And it's also often very important because it's the first line of defense. You often, this is what connects to the web and gives you content. So to stay safe, make sure you update everything. So once again, there are at least six known security flaws in Edge Chromium. And they should be fixed with the latest update. So once again, simply go to your Edge browser, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. If you're not there already, it's going to update you to the latest version, and it's going to fix the security flaws that were in the browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.